welcome back to my channel, my home on YouTube. Today my video is all about slip skirts, one in particular that I'm going to style for you in about 3 or 4 different ways, from really casual to like super duper casual to like a little bit more dressier. Yeah, most of my outfits are usually a little bit more effortless, a little bit easier to style. I don't go very dressy. Yeah, I like to stay a little bit more casual. I like to look like I've put together an outfit and it took me absolutely no time. So that is what I'm going to show you today. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all social media at Can't Be Real, and let's just get right into the video. Just hit that red button at the bottom, please. Thank you. Okay guys, so this video is gonna be just like this, me holding the camera and showing you what I'm wearing. Sometimes I think it's easier to see the whole outfit instead of having it the other way, the way I did it in a few of my other videos. But the slip skirt that we are styling is this one here. It is from Topshop. I showed it to you guys in my haul video. It's got a nice slit on the side. You can definitely wear tights underneath it. So they are paired with my dogs. Pairing it with a pair of boots like that just makes the whole outfit look a little bit more edgier. So if you are into more of an edgier style, that way is a really good way to go, and it's a comfortable way to go, and it looks kind of feminine at the same time because the skirt is so floral and feminine, but it's edgy because you've got black on black with the boots on. And then I did pair it with my furry crop hoodie from Urban Outfitters.
I can feel it in the air tonight. Do you feel it running through your veins? It's like kryptonite. 'Cause the sun is shining up above, and the night is just as young as both of us. So let's just stay together, make our own.
So I wanted to put this on with a jacket just to show you how it looks. So I did kind of pair it with my leather jacket from Abercrombie. I added a leather jacket because the whole vibe that I was going for with this outfit was a little bit more edgier. It is a little bit more of a thicker leather jacket, so it can keep you warm. So this is the whole outfit all together. Okay guys, so the second outfit is a kind of like a dark gray turtleneck. This one is from Zara. All these outfits I showed you in my haul video as well. I will link that somewhere in this video. But this one was I think $12 for this shirt. So I did pair it again with that skirt. It's not black, so it's got a little bit of more of a, I don't even know how to say it, like it's just color, not really, but it looks really well with the pink florals. Yeah, so I do have the top folded a little bit. You don't have to have it folded, you can have the skirt on top of it, but I kind of liked it folded a little bit. And this one is my super casual look. Then I did add that sock underneath, and what that does is it makes it look a little bit more girly, a little bit more feminine, especially because it is more of a like a peachy coral color. And it looks really good as well with that because it's got like the peachy in the skirt as well, the pink in the skirt, so it kind of adds that little feminine touch to it, but yet it's super duper casual as well. You can again do this whole outfit with the sneakers with the hoodie that I showed you previously.
I can feel it in the air tonight. Do you feel it running through your veins? It's like kryptonite. 'Cause the sun is shining up above, and the night is just as young as both of us.
And then this is the jacket I put on top, which is super warm. And again, I I don't know if I would put tights on underneath with sneakers because I have that sock. I just like the way that whole look goes. But this is a really nice warm jacket on top, and because it's nice and cream, the colors really come out of the skirt as well, and it kind of brings the gray and like the black and the shoes and the skirt, everything all together once you add like a lighter color top. Yeah. So this is the whole outfit. Okay, so this is my take on dressy. I still put on ankle boots, but they're a little bit more dressier. This pink sweater is really old, from Forever 21, and I thought it just kind of brought like a total girly vibe to this entire look. I love it. I think it's so amazing. It really brings out the pink. It's so pinky, so girly. And then the boots make it just a tad bit edgier, but still girly. And I do have it kind of tucked in underneath instead of having it tucked into the skirt. And I left the back just kind of open, falling in the back, kind of draping, which I love.
Feel it in the air tonight. Do you feel it running through your veins? It's like kryptonite. 'Cause the sun is shining up above, and the night is just as young as both of us. So let's just stay together, make our own forever.
So lastly, I added this coat on top to make it even more dressier. You could go with a cropped jacket or with like a black jacket if you want to. I added this one. This coat is from Topshop that I got a few years back. I love this one because you can actually wear it the other way around too, which is pink, but I decided to go this way because then it gives you just that pop of pink right here, and it's not too much pink, not too much in your face, because I've got that pink top on and then the floral here, and then yeah, and that is the last and final outfit. Okay guys, so that was it. 3 different ways to put together a slip dress that is just not simple, plain and black. That's a little bit more girly and floral. Yeah, so I showed you 3 different ways, which is a little bit more edgier, a way that's a little bit more super duper casual, and something a little bit more my twist on something that's a little bit more dressy, with a little bit of edginess in there, because I love adding that edginess in there. With that last one, you could even add a leather jacket and make it's kind of girly, but it's kind of edgy at the same time, which is awesome. And that's the way I like to dress. I like to make it look, all my outfits look a little bit, well, actually effortless, completely effortless. So it looks like you just kind of pulled it out and put it on and you put no thought to it. Yeah. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do subscribe to my channel at Can Be Rehaul, and follow me on all social media at Can Be Rehaul. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on all social media at Can Be Rehaul, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you, bye.
Do you feel it running through your veins? It's like kryptonite.